Hey guys, Brandon here with MyPOVGuitar. This is our Practice with a Purpose series. We're going to do some finger exercises, otherwise known as the riff for Day Tripper by the Beatles. Guys, if you're not familiar with MyPOVGuitar, welcome. We take the mystery out of learning to play guitar by showing you from your point of view, from the player's point of view. People are starting to rave, the feedback is coming in. This is really helping people from this angle, and you can take advantage of our beginner course at MyPOVGuitar.com. But guys, let's get into this riff for Day Tripper, and stay to the end. Once I show you the fundamentals of how to play it, I'm going to give you directions to go to a link of another video of this on a loop, so you can just play the loop while you're getting good at this riff. Guys, let's do it from your point of view. Okay guys, we're going to go through some fundamentals here just to recap, just in case you don't know. That way a beginner guitarist, if you're just picking up the guitar, you can play this riff because it's going to teach you muscle memory. That's what most of guitar playing is about, is muscle memory. Okay guys, so you have 6 strings and they're numbered 6 at the top down to 1. That's 1, okay? You have metal bars that are frets. We play behind the fret, so if you want to think of the wood as the fret, that's fine. So 3rd fret would be here. 4th fret would be here. And with chord diagrams, we number our fingers. Even though we're not going to use a chord diagram, we're going to use tablature in this riff, but I want you to know your index finger is your first finger, finger 1, finger 2 is your middle, finger 3 is your ring, finger 4 is your pinky. We're going to use 1, 2, and 3. Index, middle, and ring for this riff. And the frets we're going to be playing in are going to be the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So we're going to stay in this little 3-fret area with these 3 fingers, okay? You can see just a little 3-fret box here, right? And we're going to use that, okay? Guys, if you're not familiar with tablature, it's laid out like you're looking at the neck of the guitar, as the player would, almost as if it's flat. So the first string on tablature is your 6th string, okay? These are just the strings of the guitar on the tablature, and the numbers indicate which fret. Has nothing to do with which fingers you use. That's why I told you use 2, 3, and 4, or 1, 2, and 3 on your fingers. So you have 0, which is an open string, 3, 4, and then there's 2, okay? And then on which string, okay? So this first part of the lick is open on this top string, the 6th string, E string. Then it's 3, 4. What I recommend doing is go ahead and take your index finger on your left hand, put it on that 5th string. You're not going to hit that yet, but just have it ready, okay? 5th string, 2nd fret, index finger, 1st finger, okay? Just have that ready. You're going to start on that 6th string, and it's 0, 3, 4. Okay, that indicates the fret. So okay, 0, 3, 4, and then it's 2 on the 5th string. That's why I say go ahead and have your finger ready. Then you're going to drop down to the 4th string. That's 2nd fret as well. And then it's open. You can already start to hear it. Now here's a trick you can do, guys. Either way, whatever is easier for you. When we go 0, 3, 4, and then 2, and then you drop down 2, if you wanted to flatten your finger out, it's called a roll-on. see I'm doing that instead of going. It'll take one piece of movement out of that. If not, don't worry about it. Just do the 3, 4, 2, and drop. But if your finger's kind of resting there, like I told you in the beginning, you can flatten that if you want. And see, I'm not moving my finger once it's there. Either way, whatever works for you. So we have 0, 3, 4, 2, 2, 0, 2, 4 on the 4th string. Okay, there's where your ring finger goes. Then it goes back to that 2. Okay, so it's 2, 4, drop a string, come back to that 2, open 2. Okay? Let's run through that from 0, 3, 4 all the way slowly. Okay, I'm gonna get a shot of my right hand here so you can see that work. Okay, guys, that's the riff. In the verse, when they're singing, got a good reason, okay, they run to that twice. We're taking the easy way out. And then it drops a key, drops to that A. You just drop everything. It's the same thing. You start on a string higher, or lower, I guess. Higher in note, but lower to you. It's the next one down. So you start on the 5th after that. So where we were going, it's the same thing, but you're just dropping everything down. So in the verses, they do 2 on the top one. It drops down to that, and then it goes back. Okay, guys, that's the riff. That's everything. Again, if you want to leave your index finger kind of ready there, and that way you can just flatten it because you've got those 2 2nd fret notes where you drop a string. If you want to do that, or if you want to drop down, either way, whatever works for you guys. Okay, guys, so in the comment section, I'm going to have a comment pinned, and it's going to be a video of me just playing this slowly with a tablature, and it's going to be on an hour loop. So you can just set it, forget it, and learn to that now that you know the fundamentals, okay? Guys, I want to invite you to go to MyPOVGuitar.com and check out our beginner course. You can make payments on this thing. You can start today for $82. We start with how to hold a guitar, how to hold the pick, the accessories that you need, how to tune a guitar, what the strings mean. We do an intro to tablature, chord diagrams. I teach you a lot with the right hand, rhythm. And then we get into the introduction to bar chords. And it's all done from your point of view. Guys, check that out at mypovguitar.com, and we'll see you in the next lesson.